it is essential that we seize the moment of opportunity to ensure inclusive regional transformation. Pakistan values SICA's role in promoting cooperation and advancing peace, stability, and security in Asia. As we gather today, we are reminded of Asia's vast potential and the challenges that hinder our shared goals. Excellencies, we must strengthen political ties, pool economic resources, and ensure growth benefits reach all corners of our continent. However, lasting progress cannot be achieved in isolation. Persistent challenges, including political disputes, conflicts, foreign occupations, and the denial of self-determination, along with poverty, illiteracy, and climate change, undermine the collective development of Asia.